Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna work on the thing that I've been talking about for a while, but I haven't gotten to. We're actually gonna try to take these off, these little trim. As I said in my older videos, I've done this in the past and I've already removed all of the old crusty plastic, and so all I need to do is remove it and then repaint it. It's kind of dirty from the driving, so I need to get that off, wipe it down, and then paint it. All right, here we go. All right, so when I start, I usually start with this edge right here, and the bottom piece, because the top one's curved, and so it's a little bit harder. Obviously, they're gonna crack. They're old. I've cracked a bunch of them. I just move them around and then spread them out, wherever the nice ones are, just to kind of level them all out. You can see here it's already splitting, but for the most part it holds. It doesn't fly off on the freeway. It's good. It's inevitable that it's gonna crack, but you just gotta take the good with the bad and just weigh your odds. Like, it's probably, I know a lot of people don't even want to take these off, but for me, it's not an issue. You can always find them again. There's always somebody on the groups that'll have them. They aren't that expensive. Here we go. I'm gonna time lapse it, but I'm gonna start here. Oh, maybe I won't time lapse it, but I'm gonna start here and then work my way around. All right. So what I do is I pop them out from the inside. It's like a C clamp. The deeper clamp is on the back, on the back side, and then the clamp that you the side that you want to take off is on the inner side. So you kind of have to pop them out like that. These are already all popped off. These slide off right here, like that. If you can see the clips here, you see this. Let's do this. So this clip right here, this one is a lip that clips into one of the other sides, the front side, and this lip right here is the lip that clips to the back side. So essentially, you have a lip that looks like this, and you have to pop it off like that. It goes clip, clip, like clip, clip, and then you have to pop the clip off. So I like to use this, just a regular old metal spatula. Try to put the pressure down on the back side and then pop off. Just pop off. That's it. See, it comes off pretty nice. Because what you need to do is you need to put that pressure up the front. So you're still seeing this? Okay. Push it forward and then pop it off. Forward, pop it off. Pretty easy. And then it just slides off. That's all you need to do. Back pressure it and it moves forward, and then you use a little Phillips, a little flat, and just lift it off. And that minimizes all the damage. I mean, they're gonna crack. They're old. They're pretty old. So go from the bottom, push up, and just kind of flip. That's it. This is what you have to be careful of. This back portion you do not want to break because these things are so incredibly hard to find. It's a plastic piece with a little section here that plugs right into the chassis itself. It's made of plastic, so some people don't know. They pull it off like that and it cracks this piece and it's gone forever. So that's how I do it. As you can see, the original owner, the owner before me, just went ham on this. They just went with some silicone, just like decided that it was gonna be done, and they just glued it all in there. Obviously, I don't want to keep it like this, but I haven't made any provisions to fix this yet. I was thinking about trying to find some, I don't know, I haven't even really researched it, but these are the way that the coupe ones are supposed to look. Let me take it off for you. They go in. And once the screw goes into it, it spreads this piece here. It spreads this piece, and then it holds. That's what holds it into the chassis. This is where the actual lip of the chassis is. And this one is a complete one. You can see it still has this bridge right here from this side to this side. And this piece is what holds it. And then that's it. I mean, this little thing right here, I would say, if these things are new, I understand, but you know, if you had like foresight into like the future, like this isn't really gonna hold up. This could have been built out of metal, or like, you know, but you know, cost savings, I understand. Maybe that's opportunity for somebody in the CNC world to create some of these so that they have a you know, longer life and more durable. But for now, this is what we have. I'm gonna throw that back on. That's what holds it. There you have it. Enjoy. I'm gonna go into the hyperlapse of me painting it right now and reinstalling it. You can see right here, see, these are all like effed up right here. This one, this one, this one barely has anything. Maybe I'll take one of these and throw it here. Oh, actually, I don't know. I think this might be, I don't know. Don't do this enough to have like extreme knowledge on it. But yeah, here we go. Thanks for watching, guys.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a little cold here. I'm just warming up the can. San Diego was like 41 degrees this morning, and that's too damn cold for me. But heating up the can, getting it ready for spraying. It's just cheapo Walmart stuff, $1 can. Should be still kind of cold in there. Let it sit for a little bit. And then once it's ready, we'll go ahead and spray this right here.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Alright, so here it is, all painted up, nice and dry. And to reinstall, you always want to start with this bottom piece here. I just wanted to give you guys another demonstration of how these things go into the darn truck is coming. Hold on. Okay, so this is the piece here. So this piece in the rear, it's already cracked. You can see it's cracked there, but this is the lip. You see that lip right there? That's the lip that connects to the one side, and that's the lip that connects to the other. And the outer piece, this is the bottom piece. That's actually upside down. This piece goes down here, and so the outer piece is where the fat piece goes, like that, and then the inner piece is where the inner piece, the smaller piece goes. So you can tell both sides line up. Sorry. So then this is how it sits, like this, and it would actually slip in there. So what you have to do, I'm not trying to get this stuck right now, but what you have to do is you have to press this downward this way, push this part inwards, and then out. So what you're essentially doing is pushing it this way, because actually it's this way, so pushing it, it sits right here. You're pushing it this way, and then the front you push forward, and then you come out. So you up, down, and out like that. It's like a sweeping motion. You don't just pull straight like this, because it'll crack. So down, down, forward, and out. That's the motion. Let's put this all back together. Remember, disclaimer, you do this at your own risk. You probably will break something. I am not liable. Okay, so start off with this piece right here. The little, little connector. It's held on by these 3 tabs here. It's a plastic piece. Not sure if you can buy that new from Toyota. If you could, let us know. Put in the comments. Pop it in. There it is. Just sits there. Either way. So you slip the bottom one on first, push it down, and then bring the top one forward and clip. Seems to have anything left. It's supposed to click, 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 but they're just guides now. Okay. Top piece. Slide it in. Line it up.
Are you listening?
That's it. Can't get any easier than that. This goes here. This one goes here. Sorry, battery died. So then, what I like to do is slip this one on. Slip the top on. Like that. All right, so that's it. Completely done. This, you kind of just, you slide these on. You put this piece on with both ends on, you slide it into the spots, push the back end and pop, pop, pop. These ones up here, you slide it down, pop. This is the same thing right here, pop this way. And in reverse, lift, push down, and then out. Hopefully that helps. You'll let me know in the comments for sure. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm sorry that this video was a little long. I mean late coming, but hope you found something useful in that. And like, subscribe, share, let your homies know. Take it easy. I appreciate you.